Welcome to the Move Over Limit Vehicles Efficiently Maine system, also known as MoveMe user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through steps for generating a route using the routing map within the permit application in MoveMe at movememaine.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the MoveMe tutorial videos link. Some Maine permits require a route to travel. There are 5 options to choose from for your origin and destination. You can start and end your route using an address, intersection, border crossing, latitude, longitude, landmark, or a combination of those listed. Via points can be entered to route using specific highways. There is a separate video on the login page for modifying routes using via points. To route using an address, select address from the origin drop-down list. Then type the address in the address field. Enter the city in the city field and enter the zip code in the zip code field. The more information you enter into the system, the more accurate your location will be. For this example, I will use 1301 Atlantic Highway in Waldoboro with a zip code of 04572. For the destination, we will use an intersection. Select intersection from the drop-down list. Click the Find Intersection link. The map will be displayed. Type the name of the first street in the Street 1 field and the name of the second street in the Street 2 field. Street 1 will be 202 and Street 2 will be 4. These street names can be entered as just the number 202 or can be entered to include the highway name, such as US-202 and RT-4. Type York in the city field. Click the Go button. Numbered blue bubbles will display at the intersections matching the request. If there is more than one numbered bubble, choose the bubble that most closely represents the destination. For this example, I need to choose the bubble labeled 2. The end of the trip panel will be displayed again. Click the Validate and Run button to produce the safest and quickest system generated route. There will be a blue highlighted line starting at the origin and traveling to the destination. Please note on all routes, zoom in as close as possible and review the entire route before proceeding. There are also turn-by-turn driving directions listed below the map for review. Another option for routing is border crossing. Use this option if you are traveling into or out of the state. Open the Enter the Trip panel by clicking on the Expand chevron. For the origin drop-down, select Border Crossing from the list. This will populate a list of all available borders in the state of Maine. Border crossings are listed alphabetically, starting with the highway name first. Select the border from the list. For this example, I want to come in on I-95 from Canada. I'm going to select I-95 Holton NB line from the drop-down list. Lat long on map will allow you to input the latitude and longitude coordinates into the system to generate an origin or destination. I will use coordinates for the destination. Select lat long on map. Type the latitude in the lat text box and the longitude in the lon text box. Click the Validate and Run button for the system to generate the quickest, safest route of travel. Again, be sure to review the route using the blue highlighted line and the turn-by-turn travel directions under the map. The lat long on map feature can also be used to select a location on the map. Select lat long map and click the Find link. The map will be displayed. A focus city can be selected to zoom into the origin or destination city. Select Appleton from the drop-down list and click the Go button. The map will be zoomed into Appleton. Click the Select Radio button above the map and click a starting or ending point on the map. The system will input the latitude and longitude for the location selected. Another option for routing is landmark. Open the Enter the Trip panel by clicking on the Expand chevron. Change the origin drop-down to landmark and the destination drop-down to border crossing. I want to go from Swans Island Ferry Slip to I-95 New Hampshire. So I will select those options from the corresponding drop-down list. Click the Validate and Run button for the system to generate the quickest, safest route of travel. Again, be sure to review your route using the blue highlighted line and the turn-by-turn travel directions under the map. To add a split trip, click the split trip link. The split trip panel will be displayed. Enter a second origin and destination in the corresponding fields. Click the Validate and Run button for the system to generate the quickest, safest route of travel. Again, be sure to review the route using the blue highlighted line and the turn-by-turn travel directions under the map. To issue the permit, continue through the application process, including payment. This concludes the MoveMe user tutorial video on how to route using the routing map within the permit application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.